Public display of police brutality, Dharamveer Yadav, the police chief of Uttar Pradesh's Jaunpur district, was caught on camera kicking and slapping two men for getting into a verbal argument with him. A handful of people had assembled near the Jaunpur police station to protest against the demolition of an under-construction temple which was being built on a railway land, and according to reports, the station master had informed the police about the construction of that temple, following which a police team led by Jaunpur Superintendent of Police Dharamveer Yadav arrived at the scene. As the police started demolishing the temple, some people assembled at that spot to protest against that move. The SP was upset with it. Visibly angry, Yadav was caught on camera slapping one of the protesters hard on his face and kicking another one in the groin. Look at your television screens again how this top cop is misusing his power to assault protesters. Their only crime was that they entered into a verbal argument with the SP, who found it rather objectionable. Emboldened then by the act of their superior, the other policemen too joined the act, hitting the two protesters repeatedly as they pushed them towards a police jeep. A defiant Yadav went on later to justify his action. SP Jaunpur Dharamveer Yadav is on the phone line himself with us. Mr. Yadav, this sort of an act by you, somebody in a responsible position, it doesn't reflect very well on the whole system of police. What would you say about why you behaved like this with those people? धर्मवीर जी, आपने इन प्रोटेस्टर्स के साथ जो किया, उनको किक किया, उनको स्लैप किया, ये कैमरे पे है, इस तरह का बिहेवियर आपने क्यों किया उनके साथ? All right, SP Jaunpur Dharamveer Yadav was on the phone line with us. However, he doesn't seem to have wanted to answer that question that we were putting to him about why he behaved with the protesters in the way he did, kicking and slapping them, something that was caught on camera as well. Clearly, the police brutality in Uttar Pradesh is growing by the day, and Akhilesh Yadav seems to be mum on it. This is not really the first case. We've seen in the past 2 days another case of police brutality where a young boy died after being picked up by the police. So let's go back and take a look at the visuals over there of SP Jaunpur Dharamveer Yadav kicking and slapping two protesters in that area. All right, we have with us on the phone line Dharamveer Yadav. धर्मवीर यादव जी, आपने दो प्रोटेस्टर्स को जौनपुर में झापड़ मारा, उनके साथ बदसलूकी की, उनका कसूर क्या था और ये पूरा जो किस्सा हुआ है वो कैमरे पे आ चुका है?
सच्चाई ये है कि ये लोग लैंड ग्रैबर हैं, जमीन भू माफिया है। ये वहाँ पे मंदिर था, वहाँ पे एक मूर्ति रखी थी, ये लोग रातों रात उस मूर्ति के आड़ में वहाँ पे मंदिर बनाने पहुँच गए और ऊपर उस जमीन को ये हड़पने की कोशिश में थे। ये प्रोटेस्टर तो दो चार जो ये तो नाम के थे, इनके पीछे पूरे भूमाफिया थे। कम से कम वहाँ पे 1000 लोगों की भीड़ लेके पहुँच गए। जीआरपी थाने को घेर लिया, वहाँ पे पुलिस के साथ बदसलूकी थी। मैंने सिक्योरिटी टीम भेजी, अपने अधिकारी भेजे, वहाँ पे ये बिल्कुल जो है वहाँ राइट की सिचुएशन बन गई। वहाँ पे जीआरपी थाने को घेर लिया।
धर्मवीर यादव जी, लेकिन इन लोगों के साथ लीगल वे से डील करने का भी तो तरीका होगा कोई?
सुन लीजिए मेरी बात मैडम
जी।
जब कोई सिचुएशन जब नहीं कंट्रोल में थी तो मैं खुद गया। खुद जाने के बाद मैंने बात की, मैंने पूछा कि भाई ये जमीन किसकी है, आप किस अधिकार से यहाँ पे अपना अधिकार जता रहे हैं, आज पुलिस क्या करेगी? आप अगर मान लीजिए आपकी जगह पे, आपकी जमीन में अगर कोई घुस जाता है तो आप पुलिस से क्या उम्मीद करेंगे? आप ही बता दीजिए।